Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Honda CR-V navigation. To begin, locate the Navi button or icon on your infotainment system. This will bring up the main map display. Familiarize yourself with the on-screen controls, including zoom and pan functions. You can also use the physical controls near the screen for quick adjustments. Voice commands are a great way to interact with the system safely while driving. Just press the talk button on your steering wheel to activate. Setting a destination is straightforward. You can tap the Where To icon on the map or use the voice command Find Address. Input the address using the on-screen keyboard or simply speak the full address clearly. The system also allows you to search for points of interest, such as coffee shops or hospitals, by category. Once your destination appears, confirm it and the system will calculate the best route for you. Your CR-V navigation offers several advanced features to enhance your driving experience. You can switch between two-dimensional and three-dimensional map views for better perspective. Access the settings menu to customize route preferences, such as avoiding highways or toll roads, to suit your journey. Don't forget to save your home and work addresses, along with other frequent destinations, for quick and easy selection in the future. To ensure your Honda CR-V navigation system performs its best, it's important to keep the software updated. Check your owner's manual or dealer for information on how to do this. Also, remember to regularly clean your touchscreen with a soft, dry cloth to maintain clarity and responsiveness. A clean screen makes a big difference. For other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.